Hi friends, welcome to my channel Job Updates by Varma. I give daily job updates in my channel for every sector, government sector, private sector, engineering sector, as well as PSU jobs. If you have come first time in my channel, please subscribe my channel because you will get regular career notification, job updates, as well as career guidance, interview tips. So all of these you can get from our channel. So you have to subscribe if you want this type of news, job related notification and interview tips, then you have to subscribe. So before starting this video, if you have not subscribed, then click on subscribe button and also hit the bell icon so that you will receive all the latest notification. So today's job notification has come from Swiggy. So they are hiring freshers for the post of React software development engineer for the 2021 hiring process. Okay, we will discuss in detail, so stay tuned with us. So you can see Swiggy is one of the uh, delivery partners company. So we all aware of this company. So there is no chance of fraud or anything. So the job profile they are hiring for software developer engineer position 1 React Native. So you can check. Company name is Swiggy. Company location will be Bangalore, Karnataka. Experience needed is 6 months plus. Degree needed is BTech MCA can apply for this job. So you will be working on delivery partners. Also you will be solving real world problems. Check out tech blogs about Super Delivery app. Its unique set of challenges. Super Delivery, Swiggy, Bytes blog. Those things. Okay. So job requirements mainly 0.6 to 1.5 years of experience developing Android applications with at least 2 years of using React Native JS, preferably from a CS background with a focus on data structure, algorithm and problem solving skills, excellent command over Android apps development, native SDKs, and Gradle expertise in React Native ecosystem and its libraries, Redux navigation developer ecosystem, experience of shipping apps to Google Play Store and using the code push, strong on JavaScript, TypeScript fundamentals, and knowledge of ES6 and UP. Focus on code hygiene with experience on linting unit tests, CI/CD pipelines, benchmarking, for exposure on web views, session management, security fundamentals. So all those things you will be handling. So if you have a prior experience on these things, then it will be beneficial for you also. So you can click on directly apply link. I want to say the minimum salary you will get here 6 to 10 LPA because it is a developer role, and it is a quite good opportunity for all of you guys. So you can check, this is the official website of Swiggy, the career website. So you can directly click on apply for the job. You can once again go through the notification from here. So I'm clicking on apply for the job. So the form has been opened to you. You have to upload your resume, full name, email ID, phone number, current company where you are working currently, your LinkedIn URL. If you have those account, Twitter, GitHub, portfolio, you can share with them, or you can also ignore them because there is no asterisk symbols beside it. So the additional information like add a cover letter or add a experience letter, I must say. So demographic survey, like if you are what is your gender, what is your age group, those things, then click on submit application. So that's it, my friend. That is the application procedure for applying Swiggy software developer engineer position 1. So very good opportunity it is. You can directly apply. And one more thing, the expiry link is not given. So as soon as you are seeing this video, you have to click on apply link and apply for this job. So that's all, my friend. That is this small notification from Team Job Updates by Verma. So thanks for watching this video. Keep motivating, keep subscribing us, and hit the like button for this video if you like this video, and don't forget to share with your friends. Thank you. Take care guys. Bye.